Morning walk in the garden. Well, watermelon stretching all the way out. Where is that? There we go. Nestled down in there. I pulled a lot of peppers off of there. A lot of cucumbers. This right here is supposed to be okra. Waiting for the okra to come up. Quiet this morning. I do got some beans. Let's see if I can show y'all some beans. Oh yeah. Green beans up underneath there. Of course, some greens. Walking through the garden this morning. The tomatoes are all overgrown. See them way down there. I know I gotta pluck all those. The collard greens. A few holes in them. Gotta leave some for the bugs, I guess. Pepper sitting there. And this is zucchini. Let's see if I can let y'all see a zucchini. Yep, it's growing off of there. Zucchini is power driving off of there. I'm waiting. This is a sweet potato. Sweet potatoes coming all the way. And there's a few. I'm waiting for the sweet potatoes to come around and see what's up underneath the ground. Some more tomatoes, juicy red. And there's rustic potatoes, like an Idaho potato up underneath there somewhere. We'll see. When I dig all this up, it'll be up underneath the ground. Yeah, the pollinators are out. That's my squash. Not a lot of a few peppers. Been trying to grow this corn. And then I gotta Yeah. It's all a learning process. Do better next year. Waiting for the okra. Oh, did I? Them are Georgia blue collards. They blue. I showed you that little pepper sitting up there. What is this? Oh. It's a black tomato. It's meant to be black. That's what it's called. All right. Yeah, there's probably more watermelons up underneath there. Can't cut it yet. You done cut all the watermelon off. Any comments, suggestions, subscribe. Let me know. Let me know what I can do better, of course. I probably can do better by cleaning up all that. But when it's overgrown, it's overgrown. Comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Until next time, this is an early morning. Pretty quiet. Take a peek. Look at that. That's what you call good eating.